Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're going to have a look at how to convert formulas to values in Google Sheets. I prepared here a sample file, and as you can see, there are a lot of formulas in this sheet, and every cell basically contains a formula. And sometimes you would like to copy and paste a cell without copying the formula, but just the values, because I'm going to show you an example here, R9C6. If I copy this with command copy or a control copy on a PC, I'm on a Mac, so I use command copy and then I use command V, so command C and then command V for pasting, or control V on a PC computer, I get a completely different result, R9C7, because the formula is adjusting, it's moving, because the cells are not fixed and the ranges are not fixed. And sometimes you just want to get the values out of it. You just want to copy and paste the values. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Alright, the first step, I'm first showing you how you can do it using the menu, and then I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts that you already see here. Alright, so the first thing is I'm clicking into a cell, and then we are going on to edit, and here we click on, we go on edit, and we click on copy, and then we select a new cell, and then we go on edit again. But now we're not using paste, but we're using paste special. And here in the paste special menu, you have the different options, and here we select values only, because we don't want to use the formatting or anything. We just want to paste the values. So I click on paste values, and as you can see, it's still R9C6, and you see there is no formula anymore in the new cell that we pasted. Alright, this is basically how to convert formulas to values in Google Sheets. And now I'm going to show you how we can do it using the keyboard shortcuts. So I'm just using on my Mac computer Command C. And now for the pasting, I'm using Command Shift and V. So Command Shift and V, and as you can see, the value is entered here, and there is no formula anymore. It is just the value. And on a PC computer, you're just using Control Shift plus V, and you can do the same thing. Perfect. This is how to convert formulas to values in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like, follow the channel, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. See you again soon. Goodbye. Bye bye.